Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be modifying my turbo outlet damper, I guess, on my common rail TDI. So from the factory, Volkswagen has this on the outlet of the turbo. As you can see, it's pretty restricted. Kind of acts as a turbo muffler for noise. So we're going to open her up, get the air flowing better. And down the road we'll see the results of throttle response, power, economy, all that kind of stuff. We'll do a little follow-up. But for today, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to open it up. And then we'll go from there. First things first, I'm going to pull the seal out of it so that we don't damage the seal while we're working. Put it off to the side in a safe place. And we're just gonna start kind of tearing into it, see how easy it comes apart, see what we got to cut, what's gonna break. I can see a little bit of a seam around here, so I'm gonna see if this section will pull out. This is my first time doing it, and you guys are just kind of along for the ride. And we'll see what happens. I'm going to grab a drill bit. And on here you can see where that seam is. I'm going to drill just inside the seam a couple times in a couple spots and see if we can get this inside section to pull out.
"12 seconds later."
Alright, let's get a long punch and see if we can't get down in there and see if it'll start moving. Alright, well, it's starting to break it apart. Let's see. There's that piece out. Kind of just... So I would do that from the start. Just get in there and try and hammer it out from the inside. And you can see how much more open that is. In this part at least. Now we need to get the back side taken care of. Trying to look inside here and see if there's another edge we can hammer on. Which it looks like there might be. Break that apart a bit. It's hard to tell if that's all molded in there or not, but let's drill a little hole in here and see where that goes. Just gonna drill all the way around, try and weaken it a bit and see where that gets us. Alright, you can see I just drilled all the way around quickly. Now let's see. Alright, well there we go. Drilling around did nothing. It eventually did pop out. This is the edge that I broke. It is just sitting in there. You can see inside there's kind of just another little baffle in there. So next I'm going to try and remove this piece here inside, and we'll see where that gets us. I'm going to grab some long needle nose and break it. Okay, so that's kind of the bulk of it out. But it is still a little bit restricted. I think I'm going to try and get a Dremel or something in there to try and open it up to be even with the inside of this part. Or maybe a hole saw that's that size might actually work. Let's see what I got. Okay, so there that is. We got a bunch of it out of there. You can see there's a little bit more to smooth out in there. There's a whole bunch on the bottom side here, but that's because of the bend, so there's not a lot of point in doing anything there. So I'm just going to get a file, smooth out the edge, and see how that looks. Let's see if we can get in there with this burr bit. Try and shave a little bit of time off of this here. All right, so it still needs to be cleaned. It's all full of shavings, but you can see from there that looks like it should be a lot more free flowing, less restrictive. You can go as crazy as you want cleaning this lip to get it as smooth as you see fit. Again, this section here is where the bend is, so it's going to be thicker there and everything. And you can't go too far here because there's only so much material. But I'd say that is a significant improvement over the inside of that. It's a pretty significant restriction, plus all the baffling and all that jibber jab in there. But here's all the chunks that came out of it. It's nothing crazy, but it does open her up quite a bit. So yeah, that's that. Looking at the time here on the camera, took me about half an hour total playing around. I am going to spend a couple more minutes smoothing out the inside just to get it a little bit nicer. Then I'm going to go wash it, soap, water, everything, make sure there's no debris inside, make sure it's perfectly clean so we don't get any shavings being sucked through the engine. That's obviously not good. But yeah, we'll get that all cleaned up, we'll get it on the car, and then another day down the road, once I've done some driving with it and can do some calculated fuel economy improvements and whatnot, we will I'll report back, give you that information. But for now, that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one. And as always, fix it until it breaks.